Have you ever looked at someone else's life and quietly asked yourself, why not me? Have you ever smiled in front of people, but deep inside, you felt like everyone was moving ahead while you were standing still? Maybe you've watched your friends get better jobs, buy better cars, score higher marks, build successful businesses, or become famous online. And every time you see their success, a tiny voice inside your mind whispers, you're not enough. But what if I told you? The biggest lie you've ever believed is the one you're telling yourself every single day. What if the person you're comparing yourself to isn't actually winning? What if you're running the wrong race? Stay with me until the end, because before this speech finishes, you'll discover one simple truth that could completely change the way you see yourself forever. Dash. Comparison is one of the most silent thieves in the world. It doesn't break into your house. It doesn't steal your money. It steals something much more valuable: your peace, your confidence, your happiness. When you compare yourself with someone else, you stop appreciating your own journey. Imagine planting two seeds. One becomes a beautiful rose, the other becomes a tall mango tree. Would you ever ask the rose, why aren't you giving mangoes? Or ask the mango tree, why don't you smell like a rose? Of course not. Because they were never created to become each other. They were created to become themselves. The same is true for you. You were never born to copy someone else's life. You were born to create your own. Yet every day, millions of people forget this. They scroll through social media. They see perfect vacations, perfect bodies, perfect relationships, perfect houses, perfect lives. But remember something important. You are comparing your real life with someone else's highlight reel. You're seeing their best moments. You're not seeing their sleepless nights. You're not seeing the failures, the tears, the fears, the struggles. Everyone is fighting battles you cannot see. The successful student once failed exams. The confident speaker once shook with fear. The millionaire once worried about paying bills. Every success has an invisible story behind it. Never judge your chapter 1 by someone else's chapter 20. Think about a marathon. Imagine a runner who keeps turning around to watch everyone else. Will that runner reach the finish line faster? No. They'll lose balance. They'll lose speed. Maybe they'll even fall. Life works the same way. The more you keep looking at others, the slower your own progress becomes. Your eyes should stay on your own path. Because your destination is different. Your timing is different. Your purpose is different. Nature teaches us this lesson every day. The sun rises in the morning. The moon shines at night. The sun never says, I wish I could be the moon. The moon never says, I wish I could shine during the day. Both are beautiful because both know their purpose. So why do we forget ours? Many people believe success has one timeline. Graduate by a certain age. Get a job quickly. Earn a certain salary. Get married. Buy a house. Become successful before 30. But who made these rules? Life isn't a race with one finish line. It's a journey with millions of different paths. Some people bloom at 18. Some bloom at 40. Some discover their dream after retirement. Late doesn't mean lost. Slow doesn't mean failure. Different doesn't mean wrong. Never confuse someone else's speed with your own value. Let's imagine two clocks. One is 5 minutes fast, the other is 5 minutes slow. Eventually, both will show the correct time. Life is exactly like that. Your moment will come. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it will come if you don't quit. Sometimes comparison creates jealousy. And jealousy is dangerous. Because instead of asking, what can I learn from them? You start asking, why do they have what I don't? That question never makes your life better. Instead, ask, what small step can I take today? That's the question that changes lives. Every giant tree started as a tiny seed. Every expert started as a beginner. Every champion was once unknown. No one begins at the top. If you're still learning, you're growing. If you're still trying, you're improving. If you're still standing after every failure, you're already stronger than you think. Your greatest competition isn't another person. It's the person you were yesterday. Become just 1% better every day. Read one page. Exercise for 10 minutes. Learn one new skill. Speak one kind word. Save a little money. Help one person. Small improvements create extraordinary lives. Imagine climbing a mountain. If you keep staring at the peak, you'll feel overwhelmed. But if you focus on the next step, then the next, and the next, one day you look back and realize you've climbed higher than you ever imagined. Life isn't about giant leaps, it's about consistent steps. Never let someone else's success make you forget your own progress. Maybe last year you couldn't speak confidently. Today you can. Celebrate that. Maybe last month you couldn't wake up early. Now you can. Celebrate that. Maybe yesterday you almost gave up. Today you're still here. Celebrate that. Every small victory matters. Success grows where gratitude lives. Instead of saying, I have nothing, start saying, I have another chance. That single change in thinking can transform your future. Remember, a fish will always lose if it competes with a bird in flying. A bird will always lose if it competes with a fish in swimming. The problem isn't ability. The problem is comparison. Find your own strength. Develop it. Protect it. Believe in it. Your uniqueness is your greatest power. The world doesn't need another copy. It needs the original version of you. There will always be someone richer, smarter, stronger, more attractive, more talented. But there will never be another person exactly like you. Your story, your experiences, your dreams, your struggles, your voice, they belong only to you. And that's your greatest gift. The happiest people are not those who have everything. They are the ones who appreciate what they have while working for what they want. Don't waste today's opportunities because you're busy counting someone else's blessings. Your future is being built by today's choices, not today's comparisons. Now remember the question I asked at the beginning. What if you're running the wrong race? Here's the answer. You were never supposed to race against anyone else. You were only supposed to become a better version of yourself. That's the secret. The day you stop comparing yourself is the day you finally become free. Free from pressure. Free from jealousy. Free from fear. Free to grow. Free to dream. Free to become who you were always meant to be. So from today, look in the mirror, smile, and tell yourself, I don't need to be better than anyone else. I only need to be better than the person I was yesterday. Walk your own path. Trust your own timing. Believe in your own journey. Because your story is still being written. And the best chapter hasn't been written yet. Thank you.